Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. OpenAI has unveiled a new artificial intelligence tool that can convert text into images. A tool that can shape the future of art in artificial intelligence with stunning results. This system, which is called DALL-E 2, is the successor of the model that was unveiled last year. Although the previous version had significant results, the second version of this project made the whole world aware of the existence of such a thing. But what is it really? Imagine yourself as an artist or a painter, someone who can turn any idea and creativity in his mind into a painting without any restrictions. An artist who can show art in different styles and can create a unique work like a professional editor by combining different images. But for doing this, you do not need to be an artist, painter, or photo editor. Rather, you only need to be connected to DALL-E's algorithmic and artificial intelligence system. A large network of images data with different titles and topics is stored in the memory of this artificial intelligence. You just need to type your idea and receive your artwork a few seconds later. But what is the working system of this project? You just need to think about your favorite text first. Anything. For example, you can think of the following text: a fox sitting on the grass at sunset. And you will get a lot of different made samples like this picture, which will be different and completely unique from the previous picture every time. An example of the same text is placed in the DALL-E of the first series and the second one, so that you can understand the difference in the improvement of this system. The new tool also introduces two additional features: reinterference of existing images and an editing feature called In-Painting. In-Painting edits the existing image by analyzing a title in natural language. This feature can add or remove elements from an image while integrating desired changes in shadows, reflections, and textures. DALL-E 2 is trained based on images and the related subtitles, and this makes this tool recognize the relationships between images and words. After that, new images are produced through a process called diffusion. This process starts with a pattern of random dots. Then the system gradually transforms the pattern into an image when it recognizes certain aspects of the image. Some of DALL-E 2's creations look almost too real. However, the researchers say that the system tends to create logical, visual images for most titles that people try. In general, there are many uses of this tool. Graphic designers, app developers, media, architects, commercial illustrators, and product designers can all use this tool for inspiration, new creations, and editing. In addition to the beauty that it creates, one of the concerns about this system is the emergence of violent photos. But in the new system that has been updated and developed, the ability to search and create photos with violent content, various weapons, and etc. has been removed and cannot be produced. However, DALL-E may enhance our understanding of how artificial intelligence sees the world. OpenAI hopes that such a tool will help them create systems that benefit humanity and not be manipulated to create hatred and deception. At the same time, by seeing such an unwanted system, we understand why there has always been a fear that one day robots will take the place of humans and act against us. Just as these beautiful pictures can question the whole meaning and concept of an artist. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Take care and goodbye.